Hi friends, already you have learned how to find the mean for the ungrouped data and also for the grouped unclassified data. Today let us learn how to find the median for the grouped classified group data. Okay? There are three methods of finding mean for the classified data. They are direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So these are the three methods of finding mean for the classified data. Let us know how to find the mean by direct method. Suppose the class intervals are 1 to 10, frequency is 3, 10 to 20, frequency 9, 20 to 30, 8, 30 to 40, frequency 8, 40 to 50 class interval frequency is 7, 50 to 60 the frequency is 5. If it is so, how to find the mean for this given data by direct method? Let us learn. In order to find the mean by direct method, we have to find the class marks of each class interval first. Like that, let us take as x. What class mark of each class interval is the midway of the class interval. That is 1 plus, in between 1 and 10, what is there? The class mark is 5. Let us make it 0. In between 10 and 20, the class mark is 15. 20 to 30, 25. Class mark of 30 to 40 is 35. Class mark of 40 to 50 is 45. Class mark of 50 to 60 is 55. Now you got the class marks of each class interval. This you take as x. Now you see children, when you learned finding mean for the grouped unclassified data, you had like this. The variates, corresponding frequencies. Now the method is same. Now find fx for each. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 15 9s are 135, 25 into 8, 200, 35 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 4 8 3s are 24, 4, 28, 45 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carrying, 7 4s are 28 3, 31 and 55 5s are 275. Am I right? Now same way, how you found the mean for the grouped unclassified data? Find the mean for this. What did you find? How did you find? Mean is sigma fx, a summation of fx by summation of f. Summation of fx by summation of f. Either you can write 15 plus 135 plus 200 and all here, or you can find summation of fx here. Let us find summation of f here. 3, 9, 12, 8, 20, 28 plus 7, 35 plus 5, 40. Now let us find summation of fx. 5, 5, 10, 15, 5, 20, 0, 2, 1, 3, 6, 14, 15, 7, 22, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12. 1220. Let us substitute these values of summation of fx and summation of f here and find the mean. Summation of fx is 1220. Summation of f is 40. That is the mean. Let us simplify it. 0, 0 cancelled. 4 3s are 12. 0. 2 means 4 5s are 20. This is the mean of this given data, and this is how you have to find the mean of the classified group data by direct method. Okay? Now let us learn how to find the mean by shortcut method. For this same, you see, we got the mean 30.5. 30.5 mean we got when we did by direct method. Now let us learn how to find the mean by shortcut method. For the same data, let us find. That's why I am not clearing this. Second method is shortcut method. Shortcut method of finding mean. Here what you have to do is, here this fx is not needed. So let me clear fx also. But x is needed here. Okay. In this case, you have to take the assumed mean. Assumed mean can be any of these class marks or any other numerical between these 0 to 60 you can take. But it is convenient for us and it will be easier for us if you take one of these as assumed mean, and also some between numbers if you take, it will be easy for us. So let me take assumed mean as, see a 6 variates are there, either this or this we can take. Let me take 25. Assumed mean is 25 I have taken, and now you have to find deviation from the assumed mean for each of these class marks. Deviation is x minus a. X minus deviation, assumed mean, gives you deviation. For each class interval you have to find. So here for this x minus a, x is 5, minus 25 is minus 20. Here 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. 55 minus 25 is 30. After getting D, what you do is, here you find FD, product of frequency and its corresponding deviation. Okay, minus 23s are 60, minus 10 9s are 90, 0 8s are 0, 10 8s are 80, 27s are 140 and 35s are 150. You see, children, how nicely, very easily we are able to find the product here. Summation of f is already there. Here the formula for finding mean is assumed mean plus summation of fd by summation of f. Children, it is very good for you to know the concept. Why? In the previous case, when you were finding the mean by direct method, the formula was summation of fx by summation of f. But now, summation of fd by summation of f is there. To that, we have added a, because from here we have removed a from all these class marks. That's where that a is to be added, and the formula for finding mean by shortcut method became a plus summation of fd by summation of f. Okay, let us find summation of fd here. Some are negative, some are positive. So here these two, when you add, you will get minus 150. And this, you are going to get 8 4 12. 12 5 7, 1 2 3, 370. 370 minus 150, 0. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. FD is 220. Assumed mean is 25 plus summation of FD is 220 by summation of F is 40. Cancel 0, 0. You will get 25 plus 4 5s are 20.5. 25.5 plus 5.5 gives you 30.5. So when we found the mean by direct method, the mean was 30.5, and by shortcut method when we found also, the mean is 30.5. So let us see if we do by step deviation method what is going to happen. Now let us learn how to find the mean by step deviation method. Okay, I am clearing this. Your third method is step deviation method. Step deviation method of finding the mean. And here we don't want FD. So let us remove FD. Okay. For finding the mean by direct method, fx we found. For finding the shortcut method, we found FD. Now let us see. For having the short step deviation method of finding mean, assumed mean is needed, deviation is also needed, and then here one more step you have to do is you can take t or something deviation by class size of each class interval gives you t. Deviation, you see now, deviation of first class interval is minus 20. You can see the class size of each class interval of this given distribution is 10. So each deviation divide by 10 and find t. T is equal to minus 20 by 10, minus 2, minus 10 by 10, minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, 10 by 10, 1, 20 by 10, 2, 30 by 10, 3. Children, you see, now the calculation became very simple, isn't it? Now, t we got. Now let us find ft. Okay. Product of f and t let us find. Plus into minus minus. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus minus. 9 1s are 9. 8 0s are 0. 8 1s are 8. 7 2s are 14. 5 3s are 15. And here the formula for finding mean is a plus summation of ft by summation of f into I, the class size. Now you see, don't think that complicated formulas very meaningfully you try to understand. In the shortcut method, a is added. Now extra into I, because here we have divided each deviation by the class size, so multiply that here. Assumed mean was subtracted, so we are adding here. Class size we are dividing, so multiply here. Very easy. Now let us find summation of ft. 6 minus 9 is minus 15. Plus 8 4, 12. 12 5, 17. 1 1 2, 2 1 3. And 37 minus 15. 7 minus 5 2, 3 minus 1 2. Summation of ft we got 22. Now let us substitute all these values. A is 25 plus summation of ft is 22. Summation of f is 40. The class size is 10. 0 0 cancelled. 25 plus 22 by 4 is 5.5. That equal to 30.5. Again we got the mean 30.5. That means whatever method you follow for finding the mean, the value remains the same always. Whether it's direct method, shortcut method or step deviation method, the value always remains the same. With this, we come to the end of mean. Next class, we'll continue. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, please. Thank you.